Oh my goodness, it feels like a million years since I've done a proper PR package unboxing, but I've got a really good one today. So I got a massive bundle of joy from Paul and Joe. You know I love their stuff. It's so cute, it's so beautiful, it's so gorgeous on your face and body, and I'm so excited to dive into it. So I thought we'd do it together. So I opened up the package and instantly I was like, this is some good stuff. So I literally saw it and left it where it was so that we could have a look together. So I literally don't know what's inside, but I have a feeling it's going to be major. I honestly don't know where to start. It genuinely feels like Christmas. Okay, I can't resist. I have to start with this. Oh my goodness, it is a tote bag. And it features like paintings of cats in picture frames. Like, I never knew I needed that, and I really do. Oh my goodness, this is like the cutest summer tote bag. Look at that. And it actually goes with my dress. How lucky is that? I didn't even wear this dress for the bag, but I literally could. It's so cute. Oh, I love this. I'm dying. Okay, let's see what else I get. Okay, let's have a look at a lipstick. So in case you don't know, a lot of the Paul and Joe lipsticks and lipstick cases are actually sold separately so that you can mix and match which lipsticks go in the case. So you basically put your own lipstick in your own case, and you can switch them around too if you get bored. Oh my God, that is the cutest thing ever. It's basically like a lip balm and it's a cat face. I am dying. That is so flipping cute. Okay, next up, oh, a Paul and Joe mascara. I actually need a new mascara because I don't know if I've told you, but we're getting married soon. Oh yeah, I know. I haven't really talked about it yet because I feel like really anxious about the whole thing. But yeah, we're getting married literally next month, and I need to buy myself things like a new mascara. So this has saved me a job. So thank you very much, Paul and Joe. I'm hoping it's black. I should have probably looked. Okay, it is black. We're fine. I am going to save this for the wedding day. And yes, a Paul and Joe mascara. I love their mascaras. I think they're genuinely really amazing. Let's look at what else I've got. Oh, look, a long-lasting loose powder. I need one of these too. Honestly, I really do, because I get really sweaty and I'm not a huge fan of setting powder, like setting sprays. I prefer a setting powder. So this is perfect. Look how cute that is. I think it's like coral reefs, or is it flowers? Either way, that is some adorable packaging. Oh God, I'm so clumsy today. I think every time I start thinking about the wedding, I get like really anxious and start dropping stuff. This is their Paul and Joe long lasting loose setting powder, and this is so perfect. I genuinely needed this, so that is amazing. Thank you very much. Okay, what next? Oh, okay, this is their protecting foundation primer. I swear to God, it's like they know I'm getting married because they're sending me all the stuff I need. Primer, loose powder, like a handbag. I mean, I didn't need that for the wedding, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Mascara. It's stuff I actually was needing to buy new of because I don't know why, but I feel like some of my makeup needs refreshing and I want new for the wedding day so that I'm not wearing like a crusty old mascara. But this is their primer. I love their primer. They do like a shimmery one, they do an SPF one, and they do like a classic one, which is this one. So that is amazing. And then what next? Oh, this is a jelly eye color. Let's open this up and have a look. Oh my God, it's like Paul and Joe cuteness debris everywhere. Look at how cute that is. Oh my God, their packaging just fills my heart with happiness. Oh my God, look at that. That is so fun. Okay, that is a swatch of it. That is shining like the sun. That is even like a highlighter for a festival. That is absolutely stunning. I am obsessed. And then I think I spy some flip-flops, which is so fun and cool. Let's have a look-see. Oh my God, look, Paul and Joe flip-flops. That is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. And I think these will actually fit my big clown feet in as well. So that's amazing. And then what else have I got? I swear to God, this box goes deep. There is so much in this box. But the next thing I've got is the Body Primer Sun Shield. And this is an SPF 50. Now, it comes out very white, but it does blend into the skin really well. And it smells so good. Like, it smells like summer holidays and like flowers and just like really... It's really solar. It's really, really pretty. It just, it smells like the perfect sun cream. It really is gorgeous. And look, it goes in really well. Like, you literally can't see it, but it does give you kind of a healthy glow without giving a shimmer. And this girl always needs more sun cream, so thank you very much. Oh my god, this literally is like overwhelming and genuinely like Christmas. I should have saved this because it's my birthday in a few days, and this could have made like an amazing birthday gift because I don't think I've got anything. Anyway, I could have just opened this and I would have been so happy. Right, let's see what we've got next. I'm digging around. It's like a grown-up Lucky Dip. Oh my goodness, I had this last year and it was so pretty. This is the Body Primer Shimmer and this is an SPF 30 and this gives you a shimmer. So if you're wanting no shimmer, go for the one that I've just had, the one that comes in this box that I just showed you. And if you want a shimmer, which actually I think I will want on the wedding day, so I think I might use this one on the wedding day. This is a shimmery version. And it is honestly so pretty. I used this last summer and I absolutely adored it. And yeah, I just felt like my skin looked really lovely when I was wearing it. And I never normally feel like my skin looks really lovely because I'm really pasty and pale and I'm quite freckly. So I feel like I just always look kind of like pinky red. And like I never feel like my skin looks really pretty in the summer, and that really makes my skin look pretty. So that's amazing. Thank you. And now I think I'm on to the final item, and this is, ironically, a fixing mist. I know I said I don't really like fixing mists, but I will give theirs a go because I genuinely love their products and I find they sit really nicely on your skin. So I feel like if anybody can do a fixing mist that I really enjoy wearing, I feel like it could be them. So I'll give it a go, and if I can, I will wear the fixing mist and probably some loose powder as well, but if not, I'll just go loose powder and keep my makeup on that way because I am a little bit worried that my makeup's got to hold up really well on the wedding day, and also it could be really hot, it could be really sweaty. I might cry, like I genuinely might cry. I'm a little bit nervous that I might cry. Anyway, and I don't want to like ugly cry in front of like a lot of people, so it's a worry. Anyway, yeah, so that's my box. I'm blown away. What a delightful day. I genuinely am like so happy. This is such a lovely surprise and I feel so grateful. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed unboxing it with me. I am blown away by the cuteness and the generosity, oh, and the loveliness. And there's just so many items in here that I already know and love, and other items that I'm looking forward to trying. And yeah, I just love Paul & Joe. Their stuff like just fills my heart with so much joy. They make gorgeous gifts for yourself or for other people, and they're just lovely, you know, when you're like, it all is just so pleasant and joyful. Like it works great as makeup, it works great as skincare. It's beautiful to have in your handbag. It's lovely to use in the morning. Their sun care is so good. Their makeup's lovely. Their skincare is great. Like everything about it is just like really good, but it also looks and feels beautiful too. And it smells good too. So yeah, I'm a big fan. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing. And if you want to buy anything, it will all be on the Paul & Joe website. And yeah, just have a Google. I'm sure you'll find it. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.